Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. DML commands. So the first command which we are going to see is insert. We'll be seeing that in this video. Already we have seen the DDL commands in the previous video. And DDL command constraints you have to see after watching the DML video. So after completing all the DML videos, you watch the DDL constraints. So hope you have watched the DDL create, alter, drop. Those videos are watched by you, I assume, because after that only you will be able to work with the second type of SQL command, that is DML. So what is DML? DML is data manipulation language. It will help you to manipulate the or handle the data present in the table. You are having a table. So you are having table header. That is the structure of the table. Inside that you are having some data content, no? How to insert it, how to change the inserted value, how to delete it. So all the handling and manipulation of the data inside the table can be done with the help of this DML commands. So we'll be mostly doing insert, update and delete, which we'll be seeing in this video and upcoming videos. So the first task which you want to do with DML is inserting a value. So every table will be having row. So one row we call it as a record or tuple. So how to insert a record or tuple we'll be seeing. Already in DDL we saw how to create a table. So I have readily created a table and I have described it. So I have created a table student with register number, name and age. Three fields I'm having, three columns I'm having. So in this I want to insert records. So I want to insert values. So how I can do that? We'll be seeing. So for insertion we are having 6 to 7 ways of insertion. So the first way is the simplest way. So you have to insert in the same order of that which is present in the table, that is table structure. So you are having register number followed by name followed by age. The same order you are going to insert values means this method will be more suitable and this is very simple as well. So how you have to do is insert into, this is keyword followed by the table name. Then you have to give values. Values is also a keyword. Then in opening bracket you have to give the values one by one in a comma separated way. Make sure the character and varchar2 is always enclosed in single quotes. At times character may be ignored. Even if you are skipping to put in single quotes, it will be okay. But sometimes it will be throwing error. But always varchar data type will expect the content or value to be inside a single quotes. So always do that. So we'll see and hands-on example for this. So here insert into, this is the keyword. What is my table name here? Student, right? So insert into table name. Then values is again the keyword, opening bracket. So I am entering the register number. Then name. So name I am giving in single quotes. Then age. So one row created. If you want to check what is inside the table, you have to use the DQL query, select star from table. So actually the table name should be given, right? Select star from student. So successfully the first record has been inserted. So this is the first easiest way to insert. So this method will be working. So I am inserting register number followed by name followed by age. So this method will be sufficiently working. Suppose I want to insert so this is my case. So I am having name first, then I am having age, I am having register number or in some shuffled order. Here I am having name, register number, age. So this is not in the order of the described table. So in the table you are having register number, name and age. So you want to insert the values in some shuffled order. That is, you are not following the same order as that of the tables column. Then this method will be suitable for you. So here only one change, insert into, you have to give the table name. Then you have to give the order. in which you are having the columns. So name, comma, register number, comma, age, space, values. So I am having an extra work. After the table name, I am having the column names. So this also will be working. So I have inserted. So here in the same order you are giving also, it is not an issue. So one more example. The order is same as that of the column name, but I am specifying it. Then also it will work. Register number, comma, name, comma, age. So here first I have to give the register number. So here I have specified register number. So this should be the register number. Then name, then age. Change the age. Yes. So now also it will be working. So either you can give the same order or you can give the shuffled order. That is up to you. But in which order you are specifying the column, in that order you have to insert the values here. So this is the second method. So second method, if the values are in different order as that of the column name, this method will be suitable. So the syntax is insert into table name. Then before the keyword values, you have to specify the column name in comma separated way inside a bracket. So this is how you have to insert. This is the second way. So without mentioning the column, if you are inserting, that is the first way. With mentioning the column you are inserting means that is the second way. The third way, we are going to see how to insert null values inside the table. Suppose I don't want to enter the age. So I would like to do some insert. So here I don't want to insert the age. So what I can do, I can delete the age and I can specify only two values. So I have to give it in single quotes, right? So now I have not entered any column age. I have not specified in the query. I didn't specify the column age. I have not entered value as well. So what is meant by null? Null means an empty entry. You don't have entry in that particular cell. That is called as null. So here what is happening? For the tuple Preetha, I don't have any value for age. So it is considered to be null. So the third method is how to insert null value. In two ways you can insert null value. The first method is implicitly, that is indirectly, by skipping the column name you can enter the null. So insert into table name the same way as you saw in the second method, but here intentionally you can skip the column for which you are going to enter the null value. So this is the example. The fourth way, instead of doing it implicitly, explicitly you can type the keyword null. N-U-L-L, like that you can type. So here either you can use first method or second method, that is up to you. So insert into students. So register number I am having it as so some name. So instead of having this age, I am going to make it as null. So now for this also I am having an empty space. I don't have anything. So directly you can specify null. So this you can work with first method as well as second method. So I have to give it null. And null can be given in either capital letters, small letters, or sentence case, anything. It it will be working correctly. So here I have inserted null values explicitly. So null can be given either in small letter or in sentence case or fully capital. Everything it will be working correctly. So this is how we are to insert the null values. So first two methods we saw to insert all the values with specifying the column, without specifying the column. Then how to enter null values without that is implicitly, and how to insert null values explicitly. So 4 insertion we have seen. There are 2 more ways which we will be seeing in the next video. So stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.